All right, this is Thrill of the Chase by Dave Getty. This is part A, which is 32 counts. Ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, and that's part A, and it starts again. Part B. Ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Part C. Ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part D. Part D occurs after the second B, but the second B is only the first 16 counts. So this part occurs right after the gallops in the second B. So we're going to go now, ready, and 1 and 2, 3, 4. Kick 5, step 6, kick 7, step 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and cross. Then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8.